The debate on hijabs being allowed with the school uniforms has been in the news lately. The Karnataka government formed a high-level committee to decide on the hijab law and uniform code. The government has considered this is a very serious issue. The committee has received a complaint from a member named Muhammad Riazuddin. Residing in the district of Gulbarga, he alleged that the girl students from the Muslim committee are not being allowed to enter their classes wearing headskirt. The Education Minister of Karnataka B.C. Nagesh stated that the students should attend schools. He also mentioned that the matter is being looked into and will be resolved accordingly.
Definitely, we have also seen the notice today. Our Secretary and DC will definitely explain the concerned authority what is happening in UP. And once they get the information from our side, definitely they will know what the reason behind that, why students are not entering the school. We have not taken the right of the students at all. If what we have said the student is that you should attend the school with whatever the uniform you have followed so far. We have not that STMC committee has not led any new rules for the 6 girls. They have led these rules for our entire student, and almost 99.1% of the students are following the thing. Only few students, only 6 students, doesn't want to follow the rules which had been followed by themselves for last 1.5 years. So definitely we are going to solve the issue, but our secretary and DC is going to explain there is no violation of human rights.